Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, where today in this video we will be learning some basics of C programming language and how to compile some basic C programs. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss any other video. C is a high level programming language, but it has got a very simple syntax, so it is easy to learn and understand. The software which I will be using in this video is Turbo C++, which is a free to use software which you can download from the internet for free. So first of all, let's try to understand the syntax of C language. So before starting any C program, we need to declare two header files, which are #include stdio.h and #include conio.h. Then we have got the main function, which is declared as void main. Then we open a second bracket or curly bracket to start writing our program. We use clr scr to clear any background or any other program running in the background of the software. One thing to note here is we use semicolon here. Semicolon is equivalent to full stop in C language, and we need to use this semicolon after the end of each line in the program. And to end the program we use getch. So let's get to our first C program, which I have written in the Turbo C++ software. This is a very simple program which can be used to print any statement. Here I have used this program to print the statement "Welcome to my channel." So as you can see, in the beginning of the program I have declared the header files and main function. So as I have mentioned earlier, clr scr is used here to clear any background program. Then printf function is used. Printf function is used to print any output, and in the end getch is used to end the program. So when we will compile and run this program, we will get the output as "Welcome to my channel." So as you can see here that after compiling and running the program, we are getting the output as "Welcome to my channel." So now let's move on to the next program, which is the addition program. Again the syntax here is same, two header files stdio.h and conio.h, then the main function void main. So in order to do the addition of two numbers, we need to take three variables. Two out of these three variables will be stored in the input, and the third variable will be stored in the output. So as you can see here, I have declared the three variables as int a, b, sum. Now int means integer, so the numbers or values which I will be storing in these three variables will be integer value. Then again, to get the output, I have used the printf function. So as you know that the output is stored in some variable, that's why I have used addition result equals to %d, sum. The %d used here is because of the integer value. Since all the values that we have entered are integers, that's why I have used %d. Here I have stored 5 in variable a and 4 in variable b. So in the end I will get 9 when I will compile and run the program. Now moving on to our third program. This is also an addition program, but the difference between this program and the previous program is, in the previous program I have predefined the values of a and b, but in this program the user will be able to define the values of a and b and then will get the desired output. So here also the syntax is same. Then I have used int x, y, sum, three variables. As I have mentioned earlier, in order to add two numbers we need to use three variables. X and y will be the input and sum will be the output. So I have used printf to give the message to my user to enter a value in variable x. Then again I have similarly used printf to give the message to the user to enter a value in variable y. I have used scanf function with both x and y variables so that the user can enter the value. Scanf is an input function, so when I use scanf function, then the user can enter the value in the message which I have shown. Then I have entered sum equals to x plus y, and in the end I have used printf to show the addition result of x and y. So as you can see, if the user gives 6 and 4, then he will get an output of 10. So this were the three basic C programs. You can do the subtraction and multiplication program in a similar way as we have done the addition program. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you have any doubts regarding any program or any section of this video, then comment your doubts, and make sure to like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel to never miss any other tutorial video.